Hello Earthlings, welcome back to my channel, the only Lauren channel. I'm the only Lauren you want in your life forever. I'm declaring that a national holiday. Anyway, Earth and humans are practically the same. They're the same people living the same lives in a different scope. We're gonna get into that. And how we're gonna do that? Well, we're gonna think of how a human is made and how the earth is made. So let's get into it. If you think about it, a human has a brain, a skeleton, skin, organs, and blood. Earth has, well, the same features. Some of those mixed-matched in different forms. And both of those can't live without the common denominator we all know and love, water. So let's break it down. Let's say Earth's blood. The simplest to explain, the magma or the lava, aka the plasma. And if I'm not mistaken, plasma, and obviously blood, plasma, and star plasma running through the veins to the Earth's core, which is obviously its heart. Quick etymology of the word core, which is the root, which is the heart, meaning innermost part of anything. Corazon, if you fancy. Blood's magma carries nutrients to the heart and back out again, keeping the body alive. I have no idea why I'm air quoting now. And the flesh alive and active and full of life. So the skin and skeleton next. In the case of Earth, its skin is also its crust, which is also its bones. And the stabilizing function for all of this is water. I'm gonna get into that in a second. The skeleton is just a structure holding things up and together. What more can you ask for? And it too contains important minerals in its exoskeleton, aka its skin, aka its bone. The etymology for the word skeleton means bones, bony, framework of the body. Skin's etymology comes from the Proto-Indo-European, meaning cut, from the root sec. I think we talked about this in my sex video, how earthquake and orgasms are the same. Well, we're saying that this too is an organ. The skin is an organ in actuality. So meaning Earth's skin and skeleton are rolled into one, and organs are rolled into one. Now, water is the stabilizing function, skeletons and organs on Earth. Why? Because the water is drawn, the negative energy is drawn to the positive energy of Leo, the sun, and it comes on into it and makes a nice little skin and, you know, a little crust, and then that is like delicious, and we get this nice beautiful earth. And now water is essential to all of us. We all must drink it. The water keeps the crust hydrated and solid, unlike, for instance, like a Mercury or Mars. I hope y'all know y'all basic astronomy. Like, the soil is still malleable, so it's still also very much alive. When you drink water and your skin be looking fly. Life just means movement, from the Old English animated and into existence, corporeal existence, and from the pie to stick or adhere. So the water is the life giver, actually the life sustainer. Scientists don't know why we need to drink water. It's a stabilizing function, I'm just saying. So the lungs have roots that form like trees. Getting into the next one. Air gives oxygen to the brain, which leaves us, or are, with our final conclusion. An analogy. Air on Earth is analogous to the human brain. Why do I say this? Actually, I you know, just to throw it in a little pseudoscience. Let's not call it pseudoscience. Let's just turn a little astrology. They always say that the air signs are mental, so the basis of this, not the basis, but definitely contributing. The brain sends electrical signals to the body via the nervous system. In the atmosphere, electricity through static causes lightning. There's no strong etymological root for the word brain, but I did my own research. Split the word be from rain, so it be rain, and looked up the etymology of the word rain. The pi root meaning to wet or to moisten. Going back to the concept of water with the pi root reg base. The old Frisian version is spelled rain, so that made me think of like rain, like not umbrella, but like sovereignty, which also has the base root and pi root reg. Rain, kingdom, also from the pi root reg. Even though they aren't formally connected, the Latin regnum, it's kingship, dominion, rule, realm, to rule, to keep straight, like the brain does. More pi root reg means to lead or to rule. And a personal observation of this makes me think of corona, which means the crown, the head. In conclusion, I think my name, well, I know my name means like the laurel wreaths, and Lorraine, brain, rain. It actually was related. I could do a video on that, but that's like weird to me because I found a lot of stuff. In conclusion, this begs the question to ask. Brings up new questions. Earth has gotten a fever and is getting very sick. Climate change. Does the same principle of self-care apply to the body of Earth that it does to the mind, aka our bodies to our minds? Is it the same? An excessive fever can cause severe damage to the brain. You lose brain cells. Billion-dollar corporations are effing up the planet, are like diseases affecting the body, which ruin the mind. And climate change are just the symptoms of that. And it's just simply letting us know that something is very wrong. We've gotten sick and we need to take care of our illness, our planet, ourselves. So, like, subscribe, follow, and please buy my book. Listen to my demo. Bye, Earthlings.